Hey guys, so before we get started, I would actually request you to log in yourself in this Canva course so that it will be easy for your files to get being saved in Canva. And so you can simply log in by going to canva.com and then going to your sign up. If you already have an account, then definitely log in. So you can simply sign up with your Google, Facebook, or use an email as well. And if you are searching for Canva Pro in a free way, then maybe I can give a small tips for that. So for that purpose, you can probably just go to canva.com and see. Currently I'm already logged in. So what I wanted to show you was Canva for education purpose is completely free. So it's 100% free for K-12 teachers and their students. So if you are right in this category, then definitely you can sign up now for free. And if you are not in this category, then there is still one more way. That is, if you have a GitHub student account. So if you have a GitHub student developer pack, then you'll get a whole year of Canva Pro. That's of $119 of value with nothing to pay. So first of all, you'll have to get your GitHub student developer pack. You can Google your way in how you can get that if you are a student of some university, or probably see how you can do that. And once you get that, activate your GitHub developer pack. You can simply easily do that. And then later on, you can sign up in Canva using this GitHub account, and then you can claim your 1 year of free Canva Pro. So that's all. It would be better if you can read more forward in these frequently asked questions. So definitely this was all to say. Just log in and sign up, and then let's get started your way in learning all about Canva in this course. So I'll see you on the next lecture now.